Good morning everyone. It's 9th of October 2021. It's 3:30 a.m. right now. And why am I beginning a video like this? Because last night I made a sudden plan to go early morning pandal hopping today. You'll hear people say, बेटा 12th कर लो उसके बाद मज़े हैं बेटा कॉलेज कर लो उसके बाद लाइफ में मज़े ही मज़े हैं इट्स अ ट्रैप एडल्टिंग सक्स मज़े सच में कभी नहीं आते Last 5 to 6 years that I have been staying in Kolkata, Durga Puja means going out with family and friends starting right from Panchami till Dashami. What we did was we used to go out every day, especially in the morning hours, and then end with a lunch every day. So this is what Durga Puja had started meaning to me. And suddenly from last year, as college ended and internship began, and also COVID-19 came, last year we couldn't go out anywhere as we are swamped with duties, as well as it was not conducive to go out. This year also, I was feeling really sad because I was clogged with duties or studies during the puja. So, in the later half of the puja, I was a bit free, but I was really scared seeing the WhatsApp statuses of people where you can see crowds roaming around maskless. Because ultimately, there is one truth Manush Gyan Papi. So, I was not sure how safe will it be to go out during the peak days of maybe Navami or Dashami. So I thought, why not use my time to the fullest and go about pandal hopping quite early in Pujo, and that too at such an hour where the crowd will be in its least state. The plan for today is to begin pandal hopping by 4:30 am and end it by around 6:30 to 7 am. I plan to go and visit the popular pandals of South Kolkata. So I'll meet you at the first pandal now. Bye bye. Our first pandal for the day, Cheshwati Polli. So just beside 66 Polli is Badamtola. The main purpose behind coming out at this hour is you can both get to see the lighting of the pandals as well as find empty streets and pandals to see the idols and pandal hopping fruitfully. In these two pandals, now I'll be moving forward towards Mudiali and Shiv Mandir. Still now the final touch-ups are going on. I have reached Mudiali. This is the pandal of Mudiali. It's totally empty right now. Face of the idol here is really sweet and beautiful. What's really noticeable is the scale of the pandals and the decorations around it are not as magnanimous as compared to the other years. Maybe this is the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on the economy. After Mudiali, as daylight gradually breaks in, I have reached Shiv Mandir. There is a kind of ambulance rickshaw. The theme which they have represented here is the professions of different essential workers. Components from their professions, cycles, bags, uniforms have been kept. The idol here is also very pretty looking, and right on top there you can see uniforms of doctors, police officials, other essential cleaners and workers are kept. So it's good that people are finally acknowledging and paying tribute to the healthcare workers who gave it their all during the pandemic. I have reached Samaj Shevi. There's not much to see around the pandal here. Just the pandal itself is pretty. Now I have reached Baliganj Cultural. It's a small pandal by the road, and they have still not allowed people to enter in front of the pandal. Now I came near Deshopriya Park, but the pandal here hasn't opened yet. You can see it's already morning and the winter vibes of Kolkata can be felt. Resting on Matador, they are yet to be placed in the pandal. So now I am at Sridhara Sammeloni. Seeing Sridhara, now I will be moving towards Ekdalia Evergreen Shingi Park. Here is my bike. Now I have reached Shingi Park. The pandal here is really colorful. And here you can see the traditional Daket Shaj on the Durga idol. And I have reached Ekdalia Evergreen. One of the few pandals that they are allowing people to come near the deity and pay their homage. 6:10 a.m. right now, and I have reached the last pandal on today's list, Hindustan Park. The pandal here looks like some kind of old zamindari house surrounded with trees. It looks really pretty. Suddenly I decided to visit the famous pandal near my house, Nagtala Udayan Shangho. This is a unique theme which I am seeing here this time. With Nagtala Udayan Shangho, my pandal hopping for today comes to an end. It's 6:30 am right now, and like I planned, by early morning I visited quite a lot of pandals. So until next time, tata, bye bye, take care.